Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 10 Quick Access menu not working issue fix. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Copy first command from description and paste it. First command executed successfully. Copy second command from description and paste it. Type exit from command prompt. Restart computer. Second method is Open File Explorer. Click File, click Change Folder and search options. Check the two options. Click Clear, Apply, OK. Restart computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.